Good morning, this is ISE 2020. My name's David Jopling from Unicol Engineering, based in Oxford in England. Come and see us on our stand N115, Hall 1 at ISE. We have a fantastic range of new products, including our VTS and HTS range. VTS is for vertical sliding carriers behind screen mountings. That's VTS 1 and VTS 2. VTS 1 is from 40 to 70, VTS 2 is from 70 up to 105. On the HTS range, which has an independent carrier and ability to mount the screen to the side of the side carrier, that also goes from 40 to 70 for the HTS 1 and from 70 to 102 for the HTS 2. Come and see us for a full demonstration on stand N115 Hall 1 ISE 2020, or visit the Unicol website unicol.co.uk.